Hello everybody, today I'm working from the Wilayah shopping center, which is kind of 1980s retro ghost mall, to another ghost mall nearby called the Campbell shopping center, 250 meters away. So let's go. Weekday evening 6:30 p.m. going to be sunset in Kuala Lumpur soon, and yeah, my first time exploring the ghost mall in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The first one already done. It has really like not much stuff over there, so I'm just curious the second one, how is it like? Any food session? The bus very crowded. Malaysian National Day is coming on 31st August, so they are already putting up the national flag, and it's very beautiful. But I guess every country flag has their own meaning. The crescent, moon, and the star, and the stripes, and the colors. Zone Tunda, that means the tower zone. And this police station, right? Yeah. And this is the logo. I think it's some kind of tiger inside. The tiger head has a sword. You need to be careful when walking on the street. Water leaking from the roof. It's dirty water. Wow, they put the motorbike here. I observed the Malaysians in Kuala Lumpur like to ride the Repsol motorbikes, 1, 2, and the third one day. I've arrived at the second ghost mall, Campbell complex, but I'm looking for the main entrance. On the left side will be the car park.